Alright, so now that I've gone ahead and removed the catalytic converters from the Viper, go ahead and give you a new exhaust clip of what it sounds like with the Edelbrock headers, Cat Delete, and Borla race exhaust system. It should be a bit louder, a bit crisper than my other exhaust video for the Viper where I have the stock cats in the vehicle still. So I'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. And then down the road, when I get done with my diagnostic issues with the Viper and get it sorted out, make sure there's no more issues with a misfire, I'll go ahead, get high flow cats installed, and do yet another video for you with the high flow cats. So here we go. Here's the sound of the Viper with the Cat Delete, Borla race exhaust, and Edelbrock headers. Alright, and that's today's video. So I hope you found this information useful. As always, if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Give me that thumbs up. It helps me out with that YouTube algorithm. And of course, I invite you to peruse the rest of the channel because we've got almost 300 videos throughout the channel as of posting this video. And I'm sure there's a lot of other stuff that you can find that's entertaining, informational on there as well. And then of course, I also invite you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell as well. So that way YouTube will keep you up to date with all of my future uploads. And as always guys, I will see you the next video.